Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the Deco My Tree app. It's super easy. First go to decomytree.com, then log in and create your own Christmas tree. After that, you'll get your own tree link. Just copy that link and share it anywhere, like Instagram, Facebook, or Messenger. Now here's the fun part. When someone clicks your link, they can tap Start Decorating. Choose a decoration and leave a message, and then tap Decorate. And yes, the messages are anonymous so people can send you fun holiday messages without showing who they are. Once they decorate your tree, you can simply refresh your page to see the new decorations added. One important reminder, the messages will only be revealed on Christmas Day, so make sure you check them on time. Because if you miss it, you might not be able to see them again. And that's it, simple and fun. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.